Hey Johnny, got something for ya.
Yeah. Well, look what we got here. Oh yes, these are the new Oliver Cabells. So, the guys from Oliver Cabell hit me up about these maybe a couple of weeks ago, so they're dropping some new sneakers. They're sort of like the cheaper alternative to common projects, I guess. Not these ones exactly though, but the ones that Antonio actually is wearing. He's probably wearing it right now, is he? He is. Yeah. These are the new ones that just launched. 95 bucks US, I think.
They look nice, eh?
They're clean, aren't they? Unfortunately, I don't think they're going to be my size. James, you're a 9, aren't you? How much? What? Are you a 9?
Yeah.
Oliver Cabells.
They're so light.
Aren't they? It's alright. These are 100%, well I think the upper is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles, which is pretty cool. They're also machine washable and they look pretty slick. They go well with chinos, I reckon. The guy who started Oliver Cabell told me in an email the other day, they're meant to be making their staple ones, they're low whites, which is what AC is wearing right now. The rip-offs of, not rip-offs of common projects, but like the replicas of common projects. They're going to be making them from Italy from the same factory as common projects as of next month.
Oh my god.
But for like $100 cheaper, $200 cheaper.
No, the common's now like 600 or something.
Well, you can get them for 178 US. These are 95 US.
They're 95?
Yeah, 95.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, they look good.
I like them. Good. What size are you?
9.
There you go.
Try them on.